After a couple of weeks on the road, I made my way to Donkey Sunrise, a motorcycle traveler's oasis tucked away in a valley between the mountains of Southern Colombia. While base camp there, I did day trips with other riders where we carved our way through mystical, mist-shrouded Andean peaks, powered across jungle streams, and wandered through a lush family-run coffee finca. We got to sample bananas and other tropical fruits straight off the trees and had freshly roasted coffee. There were days filled with new impressions and adventure and a wonderful sense of freedom. Long days riding demanded a perfect base camp, and Donkey Sunrise delivered. Cozy rooms nestled in greenery, delicious home-cooked meals and desserts, and great people. I really liked that there were riders from all walks of life and from all over the world. We got to connect, share stories from the road, hang out, and ride together. If you're dreaming of an epic motorcycle adventure, now's the time. Get out there and live life to the fullest.